What you gonna do? Oh, frankly, Ben, yeah, frankly, Ben. Are you listening, Ben? Do you know us, Ben? What you do, Ben? Do you hear, Ben? Do you know, Ben? Embrace your fate!
I've made up my mind. I'm keeping the status quo. Let somebody else make the world a better place. Whoa.
You're the one who starts it if you step up to the plate. At certain points in history, one person opens a gate. A catalyst, a spark of inspiration.
Road, water, good health.
Can be your fate.
Go to school, get your mail, read a book.
Be something great.
Put out fires, defend our towns, promote equality. That's what you could do. Without you, there wouldn't be a hospital, a library, post office, fire company, a college, and a university. A clerk to the assembly, ensuring our recovery, each day improving our society.
The pen, the press, the written word, make it sincere, make it absurd.
Ideas to communicate, this is what you will create. It's up to you, it's up to you, yeah. Frankly,
Why can't you get off my back?
yeah, frankly,
What is it that you think I know?
frankly,
What can one person really do? What do you want from me? Why does it have to be up to me? I've got to follow my brother, maintain the status quo. Can't you understand?
Sid, he's hopeless.
Come on, Alice, he just needs more time.
I don't need more time. I've made up my mind. I'm keeping the status quo.
Ben, no.
That's an unfortunate choice.
But we can still hang together, right? You guys are a part of me.
Sorry, Ben.
But Junto together. Remember?
People who take the easy way out aren't part of the junto.
Well, what are you saying?
Your membership in the junto is hereby revoked.